Hello, welcome to Life and Pig Grow, and it's Andrew, and I've just seen a rabbit on our path in our garden, which is always a lovely thing to see. It kind of froze, went, oh, I've been seen, and then shot off under the hedge, and away it went into its burrow, which is in next door's garden. So it's lovely to see. It's lovely to see some wildlife knocking around in our garden as well. And today, we're collecting seed again. Most people think at this time of year, because it's getting wet and a bit windy, and that's it. Gardening's closed, it's all shut down. But it's a perfect time of year, really perfect time to go around the garden and see what's set seed and collect it, because let's face facts, collecting your own seed means your time, but it's free. Free seed is a good thing, so let's go and collect some seed. And today we're going to be collecting pea seed, which is probably the easiest seed to collect. So this is our pea seed, and as you can see, it's over. This is over as peas. There are no more peas on it, but you will see here, there we are, lovely and dry, and off it comes, and we go down here with it, and we crack it open, and look what's inside. That's your seed for next year. We're going to take it inside, and it's going to dry a little bit more, but that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to fill this up with pea seed, and I'll show you at the end how much seed I've got. So people often ask, when do I know it's ready to collect seeds? Well, this is a pea pod. As you see, it's exploded open. So what it does, it twists and explodes, and the seeds shoot out everywhere. And that's when you know your seed's ready. But also, a good way of knowing that is just to get the pea pod. Listen, you hear? It's cracking. That's ready. And another question we get asked, what happens if my pea seed or my seed looks a bit rotten and manky? Well, this one does, doesn't it? It's not a great looking seed. It's got mould on it. And you know what my advice is? That's my advice, is that you chuck it away. You don't sow bad seed. So here we are. This is my pea seed NE Plus Ultra. I'm going to take this into the house. I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to put it on a windowsill, and I'm going to keep doing this every few days, just moving it around until I know it's more or less dry, and then I'll package it up. I don't want any real moisture in there, because if I do, it'll just go rotten over winter. But that there, folks, is enough pea seed to get me through to next year. Aren't seeds fantastic? So that's me, Andrew at Life and Pig Grow. Going to look at some more seed collecting. It is that time of year. I don't know if you can see it down here. I'm just going to pluck it off. Last of my corn cockle. I know, I'm just going to pop it behind my ear like so. But the great thing is that in probably another week's, 2 weeks time, I'll be collecting this seed, and I'll have enough seed then to do up in the orchard, because I want to put loads of corn cockle up there. So I purposely brought a packet of corn cockle seed, which I knew I was going to get more seed off. Genius, or what? That means you only have to lay out once for that, and to get hundreds and thousands of them next year. So until next time, it's goodbye from me, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Every time you do, you get us one step closer to opening that ad revenue. Until next time, bye bye. Little addition, if it's really cold, you know what you do? You take your pea pods, you put them in your basket, you take them indoor, you pod them. Ta-da! Free seed, bye.